Here is a tip to learn all of the major and the minor chords memorized. We're going to divide up the piano keys into two groups, the CFG group and the ADE group, and B is just an exception. So you could remember this: Charlie feels good. We'll call that the Charlie group. And this is the ADE, the AID, lemonade, like lemonade group. So this is the Charlie group, CFG, and this is the lemonade group, the ADE. The reason we divide up the notes this way is that their chords, their major and minor chords, all look the same, and their major and minor chords all look the same, and here we have the exceptions. So, there are 12 major chords that we want to know. The different piano keys at the piano, right? There are 12 different notes. And each one of them has a major chord. 3 of them only have white keys, C, F, and G. Now 3 of them have black in the middle, A, D, and E. 3 of them have black on the outside and white in the middle, again, A, D, E, just with flats. A flat, D flat, E flat. So we've already got 9 of the 12. Now we can get one more basically for free by looking at that first group again, the CFG group. We have 2 white chords that live next to each other, and right between them lives a black chord. That one is F sharp. So now we've got 10 of the 12. And the remaining 2 are again these exceptions from B. B major and B flat major. So now you have all of the major chords. Now we want to do the same thing for minor, and it turns out it's just the same the other way around. So anytime we used the CFG group, now we use the ADE group. Anytime we used flats, we'll now use sharps. So here we go, the 12 minor chords. There are 3 of them that only have white keys, A, D, E, so the lemonade group. There are 3 that have black in the middle. That is then the CFG group, the Charlie group. C, F, G. Then there are 3 with black on the outside and white in the middle. That is also the CFG group, just this time with sharps. So C sharp minor, F sharp, G sharp. Now we've got 9 of the 12, and again we can go back to the first group and sort of get one for free. So A, D, and E, these were the white chords, right? And between these 2 white chords that live next to each other lives a black chord, this time D sharp minor. So we've got 10 of the 12. Now where the exceptions come from, they always come from B. So this is B minor, and this is B flat minor. So, how could you practice this? You could see this idea as a sort of a button that turns your piano on and off. Think of playing all of the major chords before anytime you sit down at the piano, think, oh, there's a button that I need to turn it on. And that is playing all the major chords through in the order that we just did. C, F, G, A, D, and E, A flat, D flat, E flat, and then the one secret one, which was F sharp, the black one. And then we have B major and B flat major. And then you play and practice and do whatever you want to do there at the piano. And when you're leaving, you remember, oh, I need to turn the piano off. The button to turn it off is playing the minor chords. That would be A, D, and E, and then C, F, and G, C sharp, F sharp, and G sharp. The one black one that lives between the white ones, D sharp minor, and then we have B minor and B flat minor.